Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Welcome to Saturday Night Special. I'm going to go over the two major breakout stocks that we saw this week in the Instables room. I'm going to go over the 900% breakout that we saw with NURO and the 250% breakout that we saw yesterday with NAOV, and exactly where I expect for these to go next. And the only thing I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts leading into the next day that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So the first one I'm going to go over with you guys is NAOV, as we had a major breakout and a very strong close going into yesterday, looking to see if we can continue going into next week. But I did want to mention, we mentioned NURO and NAOV very early. As you guys can see, NAOV, we mentioned around 95 cents. We also did mention that $1 resistance as a very key resistance. We broke up about 250% since then in the Instables room. We also did mention NURO around $4.40. That was about a 900% breakout within a 3-day period. Again, with the market selling off the way it is, it's very nice to have possible plays that can break out. In my opinion, again, this is not financial advice or recommendation, but if you guys do want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert with it again. Now, I'm going to go over NAOV with you guys here on the 5-minute, and then I'm going to back up to the 4 hours so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at for those major resistances. So as you guys can see here, going into extended hours, we do have that major breakout that we did have, but however, as you guys can see, we do have the 20-MA curling down here, looking to see if we can curl back up. Again, this is not much of a sell-off in my opinion to have that possible reversal based on the volume that we do have, but again, we're going to be looking to see if we can bounce back from this volume point that we do see and this consolidation that we do see right here. So in my opinion, if we do not bounce back from this level here at this volume point, again, this is the VPVR, the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period here at $2.50 is very key. If we do not hold above $2.50 going into this week, then we could have a continuation sell-off going into pre-market and possibly going to open this week. But however, I'm going to back up here on the 4 hours so you guys can see what we're looking at overall. So you guys can see on the 4 hour, we have that very key resistance that we did mention yesterday at that $5 mark. But however, what exactly might happen if we do break above that $5 mark is what I wanted to go over. Now, $5 is very key for us. As you guys can see, we had a lot of consolidation and rejection. As you guys can see here on this consolidation, looking to see if we can break the body of the candle above this $5 mark. And it looks like we did get rejected. We have had our continuation sell-off since then, looking to see if we can break back above the $5 mark that we did see. So breaking over that $5 mark is very key. But as you guys can see, in my opinion, from this $5 mark, in my opinion, we will be having a gap up to this consolidation that we did see here at $5.97. And then from there, if we do break above there with volume, of course, on that confirmation, breaking up to that $7.31 mark would be very key for us. And then to have clear skies from here to possibly break into that $15, $16 range that we're looking for, in my opinion, is to break above that $7.31 mark again to have that continuation and major breakout that we are looking for here on NAOV. Again, NAOV closing extremely strong. As long as we do stay above $2.50, then we do still have a chance to continue on up, in my opinion. But however, if we do drop below that $2.50 mark, then we could have a possible continuation sell-off if we do not have volume to possibly give us that reversal from that sell-off that we might be having. But again, NAOV, definitely stay on the watch, as this is one of the largest watches that we'll be having coming into this week. Now, I'm going to go over NURO with you guys here so you guys can see what we're looking at here on the 4 hour. Now, as you guys can see, we have a very key resistance that we did need to break above here that we got rejected at here at $38.75. And we are going to be trying to break back above that, but I'm going to back up here on the 15 minutes so you guys can see what we're looking at overall. On the short-term play, as you guys can see here, we have the 20 MA that has been curling below the 50. As you guys can see, we are consolidating after this major sell-off. We are trying to hold our previous bounce that we did see here. So if we do not hold this bounce here, again, we are bouncing up, looking to see if we can possibly reverse here with the 20 MA curling back up. Again, in my opinion, breaking above our previous, again, rejection point that we did see here would be very key for us to get more bullish momentum at $28.97. Breaking over that $29 mark is very key for us for NURO. But if we do not hold this $20 mark, then we could have a possible continuation sell-off, dropping down to our previous volume point that we do see here on the VPVR. This is the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period here at $9.86. In my opinion, bouncing off of this $10 range is exactly what probably will happen. And in my opinion, you'll probably see a nice 30% breakout at that point if you do catch the bullish divergence on that breakout. Now, again, NURO definitely still on the watch, but however, definitely has been on quite the sell-off. And we will be looking to see if we can break over that $29 mark. We will have an alert here for that $29 mark. And we also will be looking to see if we can break over this $38.75 mark. But however, again, not as much bullish momentum as we do see on NAOV, of course, but however, still on the watch, as we could see a possible bounce here if we do sell off to this $10 range, or possibly possibly have a breakout above this $29 mark that we are looking at here. So again, NURO definitely still on the watch as well, but not as much as NAOV in my opinion. But however, NAOV, we do need that 20 MA to stay above the 50, or else we will have that continuation sell-off like we see here on NURO, as we are looking to see if we can hold levels. We don't want the same thing to happen with NAOV, to possibly hold levels in my opinion. So we are going to definitely have them on the watch going into this week. But again, this is what I would be expecting, and this is exactly how I would be playing into these. So again, with that said, if you guys do want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.